Investment potential: are you willing to do a little homework? This ranch-style home offers endless possibilities with detached garage and solid block structure, ideal for a workshop or extra storage. Newer windows add immediate value, while an enclosed porch presents an excellent opportunity to expand square footage with HVAC. This property is sold as is, where is meaning it's ready for your vision and effort. With some work, this could become a dream home or a profitable investment. Don't miss out on this promising opportunity. November 6, 2024.